Hello everyone, my name is Fazim Samir and I'm a business analyst in Cisco Systems and also a Google AdWords certified. And today I would like to share my experience with you about digital marketing, which I have gained from Mr. Said Rahman. But before going over there, I would like to tell you that before having my training with Mr. Said Rahman, I went to several digital marketing institutes, but honestly it wasn't that fruitful. I have completed my entire training with Mr. Said Rahman, and he also helped me to get a real-time work experience rather than reading books. I also worked for many different international campaigns which helped me achieve my experience in digital marketing. And for me, that digital marketing is kind of field which you don't have to read books. If you work through it, the entire process in several campaigns, you might get stuck, you might not able to do stuff, but if you get the help from a very expert hand, you will get experience and also the knowledge which you cannot get by reading books. So for me, Mr. Said Rahman is one of the best trainers in Bangladesh, and I'm really grateful to him to share his experience with me, which helps me in my career as a business analyst and as a business marketer. Thank you, Said Bhai, for your help and support. So my advice to the people who wants to be Google AdWords certified is that don't get disheartened. So don't stop trying and don't focus on reading books. Please do focus on real-term work. Take help from a very expert hand or your trainer, so it will help you to get the experience and also the skills. If you get stuck in some place, that person gonna help you to recover it, so you're gonna know throughout the process whether or not you are Google certified or not, but you're gonna learn how to work through the process, how to work through the campaigns. So it's more important rather than getting a certificate. But if you work through different campaigns, I'm sure anyone can be a Google certified. Thank you.